Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD LTZ truck, powered by the 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Jumping into the interior of the LTZ, we have power windows, locks, and mirrors, memory seating, your drivability dial, trailer mode, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather-wrapped LTZ steering wheel, heated as well with the black bow tie in the center, column shifter, push button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. The Duramax diesel comes with exhaust brake, integrated chili braking system. We have the wireless charging as well. All black interior with Bose audio and those luxurious LTZ leather heated and ventilated seating. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Silverado 2500 HD, we have the Mid-night pack wheel and tire package. There you have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Hankook Dynapro MT2, a big aggressive mud terrain tire. We have color matched door handles, blacked out tubular running boards, blacked out badging, 2500 Z71 package, Duramax Ellison transmission on the hood. Coming to the front with the Mid-night package, blacked out front bumper, recovery hooks, fog lights, parking sensors, the blacked out grille, Z71 badging as well, LED daytime running lamps and turn signals. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows on the crew cab. Coming all the way to the back, vehicle has trailer tow package, rear parking sensors, power tailgate, LED brake lights, and all blacked out Silverado as well as LTZ badging. Taking a quick look at the interior of the LTZ, we have the leather 60/40 split, both end seats with in-seat storage, car seat ready as well. We have the sliding rear window with defrost and a solid roof over top, dual USB ports and a 12-volt in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.